it takes a while to explain the concepts and the best thinking around it. That's why I had to constantly slice my videos into smaller parts. YouTube won't take too long videos. And this also makes it better bite size, so I'm happily glad to do it. So maintaining order, you can search through a list with the index function. Okay, so you're trying to find my list index dog. So tell me, where is the character dog in this string or in this variable we're trying to look at? And this is very great. An error would occur if there's no such a thing. The item can be added to the middle of the list instead of the end with the insert function. My list insert 4 cat, so I guess it's saying the fifth slot 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As the item had an index 4, so it will be really the last one, and moves the items previously at index 4 and all the items following to the next index. So we only have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just saying, rather than have this new one we're trying to add be after Fennec Fox, it will be before Fennec Fox. Use the index function to assign duck index, the index of string equal to duck. Okay? So it's commented out, so I don't need to worry about it. It's gonna be animals dot index and duck. Okay? And then my new code will be then insert the string cobra at that index. So whatever that is, that's very interesting. So here's a trick. You can run this and find out what it is, but a better practice will be to first follow the formula. It's going to be an insert function, right? And it's going to have the variable's name, dot method, and the place I want it to be index 2. So actually, I just stored that as duck index, right? Just at line 2, so I can reuse that. This is what good programming is about, is to reuse what you already have. And I'm gonna insert, cobra. And then we'll print animal. It will reprint everything, so just see further. The new item have been inserted at the index previously occupied by duck. I thought that's what it wants. The new item. Okay. Python. Animal. Again. Animal's not fun. But this is great to be able, I'm really not joking. It is important to be able to debug. And it's a good habit to have. And sometimes if it's really hard, I go through the Q&A forum. And sometimes I help out too. So see, Cobra has been inserted at index whatever. It's this one. So if I want to really see index duck, will be 0, 1, 2. This duck index should equal to 2. See? Equals to 2. So always great. Move on to the next exercise. For one and all, if you want to do something with every item on the list, you can use for loop. If you have learned about for loop in JavaScript, which by the way I have, pay close attention. They're different in Python. Oh, this is very interesting. Here's the syntax. For variable in list in the variable. For variable in variable. Weird. Do stuff. A variable name follows the forward. It will be assigned the value of each list item in turn. In list name, designates list name as the list of loop will work on. Okay. The line ends with colon, and the indented code that follows it will be executed once per item in the list. Write a statement in the indented part of the for loop that prints a number equal to 2 times number for every list name. So in Java loop, it's usually for you establish I, smaller than say 10, you're gonna do something, and then you're gonna keep adding that I till it adds up to 10. So that's your counter. So saying this one is nicer, that it can go through the list. So I'm gonna say for a number, that's my variable. I wonder if there's anything I need to pay attention on when naming that. In my list, it's already that variable code here. So the code is saying, okay, I'm gonna define each of these as number, a temporary variable, and my list is this whole section contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 to 5. It's really 6 items, and for each item it'll be it'll be number equals to I can do a bunch of things here. I can see I'll try this and see if it works. Equals to 2 times number. Okay. The loop didn't print each list multiplied by 2. I have to say print. And then the part of the loops print. Okay, so I have to print. So rather than store, it'll be like print. Okay, and this will do. So let's go through each of the 2 times 1 equals 2, 2 times 9 equals 18, 2 times 3 equals 6, etc. So I actually overcomplicated it. I thought about it wanted me to multiply and then store there. I was wondering if it would work. If your list is a jumbled mess, you may want to sort first. So saying rather than 5, 3, 1, 2, 4, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Sort does not return a new list. Instead, your existing my list is sorted in place. The sorted version replaces the unsorted version. So you gotta be a little careful using that formula then. It may change your variable completely. Write for loop that populates the square list with items that are squared, each of the item in the start list. Write a for loop that populates square list. Okay, I guess, am I supposed to sort it? First, you need to use append function and sort function. Append function and sort function. Okay, I gotcha. So first, I guess they want me to sort first. So I'm gonna say star list equals to, okay, fine. Then sort, then sort square list. So I'm gonna sort square list last. So I'm gonna say square list sort. Okay. So I'm gonna say square. Okay, so it should replace that automatic, so I shouldn't have to have an equal sign. But then I'm gonna have for number in, I believe it's in, I'll give it a try, star list colon. What are you gonna do is print, you're gonna append that, right? You're gonna do square list append. What you're gonna do is number to the second power. Okay, it should work. Okay, voila, it worked. So what it did was take each number, it squared it, so 25, 9, but then it sorted, so it would go by the smallest, so 1 squared, 2, 4, 2 squared, and 3 squared, etc. So that was nice.